So here's mine, A.O. Smith. I installed it September 07, and I just installed this guy here. This is the electronic shut-off valve. You could see how it kind of goes on. Mechanical device controlled by that controller. I think I paid, I don't know, 70 bucks or so. Wired it to the light back there, and basically it senses any water on the floor. There's two sensors with it coming off the blow off. There's two little contacts under there. It senses water to go off, and there's another sensor on the floor back there. Can't really see it underneath, doing the same thing. In case of any catastrophe, I'll simulate it, show you. Test. Press the test button. I think you hold it. No. Press and hold, I think, maybe. It was a momentary press. Shuts it off right away. So now any cold water being pumped into there just shuts down. Of course, anything in the tank, if the tank blows out, reverting back. Ground loop. That's the new code. That's it. Just wanted to show you that. Well worth the investment. Easy to install. God forbid something happens. Obviously, we got a whole basement, you know, and my in-laws suite down over there. Later.